Rankine. Variations: Macrankin, Rankine. Racial origin: Scottish. Source: a given name. The family name of Rankine, Rankine and Macrankin are developments of a name borne by one of the Clan Maclean of Duart. This sept was called in the Gaelic, Clann Mhic Raing, from the given name of a chieftain prominent in its history. It was, however, according to tradition, known as the Clan Duille in more ancient times, and the Macrankins claim to be the descendants of an Irish chieftain named Cuduilligh. The forms Rankine and Rankine, of course, are only Anglicized forms of Mhic Raing, or MacRaing, the kin in this case being the English equivalent of clan or family, and not a diminutive ending. This sept of Clan Maclean seems to have been noted principally for the number and importance of the bagpipe players that it produced, and it must be understood that under the Scottish clan system the piper was a real personage, a sort of custodian of the clan traditions and a constant attendant upon the head of the clan as well as a musician.